morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Yo, you guys, last night was amazing. If you've not seen the vlog of Wizkid's concert, please, what are you waiting for? And then I slept. God, I'm about to go down for breakfast now. I just thought to say good morning to you guys and just like start this vlog. Look at me, I've not even said I've not said the proper hello. Hello, guys. You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Mabel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, thank you so much. Thank you for being here. And to all my returning subscribers, oh yeah, chop the usual kiss. Mwah. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, now I've done that. Let me go downstairs for breakfast.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Vicious presenting. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Let's go. Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. Forget what? When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name.
I'm back. The breakfast was breakfasting. Yo, I just thought to stop by to mention to you that I did a proper tour. I did a tour of this entire space, this entire room in the vlog, the Wizkid concert vlog. So if you like tours, I do like hotel tours, house tours and things like that. So if you are like me and you like tours, check out that vlog because yeah, now everywhere is scattered, so I can't do it. I can't even possibly, even if it's not scattered, I can't possibly do a tour again. So if you want to see what this room looks like, go back to that vlog. And yes, it's lovely. It's really, really lovely. Trust me. The girl is ready to go. I had an amazing time. This is me. This is what I look like. Hey, hey. Today is Sunday. I couldn't make it to church, but yeah, we'll go to church next week. I'm happy. Yeah, I'm going to the train station now and I'm heading home. I've missed my babies. I've missed my babies so much. People were asking who stayed with my kids when I was away. Their grandma, of course, their grandma. Mommy, say hello.
Hello.
That's my mom's elder sister. Look at how beautiful. Look at that beauty. Mommy, you're so fine.
Thank you.
So their grandmother is around to look after them. So you know, I'm still wearing what I wore back, but I'm wearing slippers. Sorry. We didn't plan to come outside though, but somehow these children dragged us out. So we're just taking them to the park briefly, just so that they can have a feel of the fresh air. The weather is great today, but it's somehow feeling like it will soon rain. Whatever it is, we're off to the park.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, sweetheart. Oh my God. Jamal, can we go?
Oh yeah, kick it with your leg. Kick with your leg.
Jamal, this is not your ball. Come on. Okay, Jamal, kick the ball. Kick it. Keep the ball, let's go. Jamal, no. Jamal, no, come on. Let's go. See uncle. Sorry. Run to uncle, go and catch uncle, run. Go and catch uncle, run. Run, uncle. Go and catch uncle. hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've watched up until now. I know this is still like the beginning of the vlog, but something terrible happened and I just thought to stop by and talk about it. I'm just sitting down on my own yesterday and I get this message from a friend of mine. He's like, he sent me a message on Instagram, which is very rare. Then he goes, almost Sparkle, because some of my friends call me Sparkle, yeah, because my makeup business name used to be Sparkle Bells Makeovers, so they call me Sparkle sometimes. And he goes, almost Sparkle, Abuja has happened to me. Because he doesn't live in Abuja, he lives in Enugu. And then he goes, myself and another of my friend, I don't want to call his name, were robbed and I was stabbed. Like, I had a rush of emotions, knowing, I always talk about Abel's death because I haven't recovered from it. You know, knowing how Abel passed, if you guys know Abel Media here on YouTube, my friend, you know, and then me having people attack my friends and stab one of them the way that they stabbed him. I started calling him, I couldn't reach him, and I called him on Instagram and he's like, oh, he doesn't even have a phone, they took his phone. And it's just a very sad situation. I'm just like, what is this world turning into? I know that times are hard, but it's just sad. So what happened was, they went, if you live in Abuja, you know Junkyard. I want to share this so that you guys in Abuja can be careful, yeah? So you know Junkyard. When you leave Junkyard, you pass the express, the Silver Bird Express, and then the next bridge has to be Wuse 2 Bridge, and then the next bridge is Wuse Market Bridge, yeah? So the Wuse Market Bridge, before the bridge, so what happened was, when they went out, one of my friends, the one driving, told them that he did not want pepper in his own meat, but the person that took their order just made everybody's meat without pepper. And you know how it is when you eat food that is not spicy as a Nigerian, you just feel like throwing up. So my friend, the one that messaged me, started feeling very nauseous in the car, and then he started throwing up out the window, and the car was in motion. Did you get? So you know how, you know, the vomit was everywhere around the body of the car, and then he told my other friend to park, let him clean the car. Did you get? So they just parked. As soon as he just got down, they parked before Wuse Market Bridge. You know, before you climb to Wuse Market. If you're in Abuja, you know what I'm saying. As they just parked to just clean the car, these guys just came out from nowhere. They were about 4 stabbing my friend. He actually escaped one stab that was supposed to be on his chest, you know, and then the other ones were robbing the other person that was driving, my other friend that was driving. And I'm just like, because you want to steal phones and laptop and, you know, money, you're stabbing. Like, you guys. Just when I was thinking about taking my skincare very seriously and I was researching for products to buy, this brand reached out to me. This brand is called Hey Bud. Hey Bud. All right, so they sent me this package. All right, underneath the box there is a barcode. Once you scan the barcode, it's going to take you to their website. And once you open the website, the first thing you're going to see is 90-day money back guarantee, which is very interesting for me. So you can select the bundle that you want to buy or the bundle that you have already if you need more information. For me, my bundle is the Oil Control Rescue. And once I open the Oil Control Rescue, it's going to show me step by step how to use it. Okay, which is very interesting for me. So it shows me that it's the gel cleanser, the clay mask, hemp serum, and gel moisturizer. And I'm really, you know, the whole 90-day money back guarantee, I'm really hoping and trusting that this turns out well. I'm going to show you guys as I go. I've used it for like 4 days now. This is the very first day, my first time. So this is like the before look. I'm hoping that my skin improves and gets better with time, and I'm going to update you guys as I try this out. I am really excited about trying out this brand. If you've used this before, let me know in the comments, how did it turn out for you? I am trusting that it's going to turn out well for me. I already like the way my skin feels every time that I use this. I've used the mask only once. I'm supposed to use it like twice a week, okay? Let me know. I'm going to let you guys know as well, okay? If you've watched up until this point, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Do not leave without giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to be a part of this family, and drop a comment. I'll be right there waiting to read from you. See you in my next one. Bye now.